You searched how to buy shares of NorthWestern Corporation, and this short guide explains the process. NorthWestern Corporation is a regulated energy utility listed on NASDAQ under the ticker NWE. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. You will need a broker account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker NWE to find NorthWestern Corporation. Select the listed NASDAQ result to locate the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company summary, recent news, and the price chart to understand the listing. Confirm the page shows the ticker NWE and the exchange as NASDAQ to ensure it is the right stock. To buy, click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to allocate, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may execute when trading reopens. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After purchase, the position appears in your portfolio for monitoring. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to review the platform used as an example.